Hello, I'm Jerry Ford. Got a different granola bar here. This is from Nature Valley, and it's a protein chewy bar. That's what it says. Salted caramel nut. 10 grams of protein and gluten-free. 200 calories per bar. So, let's see that one there. Let's see. Ingredients: roasted peanuts, soy protein isolate, almonds, chicory root extract. I ain't never heard of that one, I don't think. Sugar, vegetable oils. We got corn syrup, and we got fructose, vegetable glycerin, rice starch, cornstarch, non-dry milk, salt, reduced minerals, whey, a couple other things. Excuse me. General Mills. Distributed by General Mills. Okay. Let's see what we got. Like I say on all my other videos about the things that are usually like breakfast type things, or these are always good to have with you during the day. You've got an early breakfast. You got a while till lunch. You get hungry. You got one of these. Really good for that. Getting a nice butterscotch kind of aroma. Man, that smells good. You know those Nut Goody candies? That's what it smells like. This that layer right there has that Nut Goody kind of look to it, appearance. Even the color of it looks like one of the Nut Goody candies. You can see a shiny coating on there of the corn syrup. You can see the caramel nut, okay. Yeah, it does have a little bit of caramel in there, but I'm getting more of a butterscotch kind of aroma. It just smells sweet. Getting the peanuts a little bit. It smells really, really good. Let's see what we got. It's chewy. Lots of stuff to chew on. It's not overly sweet. Has that butterscotch kind of taste, that Nut Goody candy taste. Even the texture of it, a little bit Nut Goody. Yeah, I'm getting, there's a little bit of a caramel on the back end. I'm getting butterscotches up front. The nut content in there is really good. There's just so much, there's, you know, such a good substance there that it's satisfying. Fills a void of hunger. The oats are good. Just a much better healthier snack than what if you get a couple donuts. I like donuts, but when you're working, these are better for you during the day. Don't weigh you down so much. Very good. Very good. Okay, well, let me know if you've tried one of these, the Nature Valley Protein Salted Caramel Nut, excuse me. Very good. Very good. Okay, well, I thank you all for watching. I appreciate it. See you on the next one.